All right, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to be answering, do you have to buy the products for affiliate marketing? What people are asking is if they have to have the product in hand to make affiliate commissions. The quick answer is yes and no. You can look at this a number of different ways. So we can unpack this in this video, and I've made over $600,000 with affiliate marketing. So I can at least answer from experience. And I can tell you right off the bat that no, you don't need the product. You could potentially make money and make affiliate commissions without having the product, whether we're talking about a software or having a physical product in your hand. I can tell you that you can make money without that, but you're going to have a lot harder time convincing somebody that they should buy a product when you don't even have it in your hand at first. So the short answer is no, you don't have to have the product, but I'm going to shoot you straight, give you a direct response to this question on how I think you should do affiliate marketing. You may not like the answer to this, but this is just the truth. If you were going to come to me and I was coaching you, would be absolutely 100%. You should have the product in hand, even if it's a free copy. I do a lot of software reviews, and if nothing else, I want at least a free trial access. Probably 80% of softwares give you a free trial access. You can go to a software, sign up for a free trial. That might either be a limited trial for, it refreshes every month, but you just get limited access, or it could be like a free 3 or 7 day trial where they pretty much give you almost all access to the software. And then after that, if you want to continue using the software, you have to become a paid member, right? So software, it works really well for the most part. There's some software that the owners and the developers are just like, no one's using this software. This software, it costs us a lot of money. And we've done enough up front on our landing pages to show you what the software does. You have to be a paid member to use the tool. So that's definitely a marketing strategy, and it works really well too. You have to position your product as just an product that people almost can't live without. They're definitely going to pull out their wallets and buy the software right out of the gates. But certainly with software, most of the time you'll be able to experiment with a free trial, and that will work. That way you can demonstrate what the software can do to customers. But I'm going to take that example a step further. If you can't demonstrate that you're on a paid plan, it's hard to convince the other person watching your video that the tool you're demonstrating is valuable enough. The trust factor that they build in that video with you becomes less when you're not even paying for the tool or have free access to the tool, a pro access to the tool. If you're just always on free trials and so forth, it's just going to be a little bit harder for you to make sales. Like I said, you can make sales only on free trials and so forth, or telling people about it, educating people about a product. But like I said, it's going to be more powerful. Let's jump industries. Let's say you are selling a supplement, right? Like that helps people build muscles, and it's like creatine or something like that, right? If you just push record and you are telling, you're going to do a talking head video, for example, and you're going to tell someone about this product that is really great. All you have to do is mix it with 8 ounces of water. It tastes like blue raspberry. I drink it twice a day. It's really good. And you tell them your story. That's great. So let's just say that I can go and grab the product. If I can't show them that this is the product in front of me and talk about it, and let's just say that I've got this screwdriver right here, for example. If I can't tell someone that, yeah, I bought this Husky screwdriver and it just works so well because of X, Y, Z, and I'm holding this in my hand, I can tell people the story of how I used this screwdriver. And when I tried to use my other screwdriver, it broke, but then I got my hands on this one. It's got a really good price to it as well. And it just worked, right? It's so much more convincing when you have the product in your hand, as opposed to me just telling you about the Husky screwdriver right now. You don't believe that I actually have the tool because I'm not holding it in my hand. But once I hold it in my hand, suddenly the story is a lot more believable because you know that I actually have the product in my hand. Hopefully that makes sense. It goes a long way to making money online with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to prove it to you. We're going to go back to the software review space because that's what I do. I review make money online products on one of my channels. I make software reviews on another channel. And if I can't prove to you that I have the software in hand, why you should use it, here's the rankings that I have, then why would you want to pick up that software? I'm going to dive in and show you. Let's go to LearnWire. Let's go to a YouTube channel called LearnWire. It's got almost 20,000 reviews on it. I'll just show you the real stats. I've got an affiliate promotion going on right this minute where I'm making thousands of dollars. I posted a video 3 days ago and it got only 740 views. We didn't even get 1,000 views, right? People are talking about like, you need to go viral to make thousands of dollars. I've made like $1,300 from that, from a small YouTube channel, a video that only got 700 views, and it made me over $1,000. That is way higher of a return on a video and with affiliate marketing than most people can even touch, right? A lot of people are like, you might make $1,000 if you get like 100,000, 200, 500,000 views on your video or something like that. But I teach something completely different. Well, I teach you how to do a proper product review, have the product in hand, and when you hover, you'll see that I am demonstrating the software I've got full access to. I'm showing people the entire software. I'm putting together bonuses. I'm doing, I'm going above and beyond as an affiliate to hopefully make some affiliate commissions because you build a know, like, and trust factor. You're giving away bonuses. You gave value in your video because you had the product in hand. Now, if I just went to this software and I show you that currently I'm ranked number 3 on the leaderboard, they've made over $25,000 with this funnel. There's a $1,000 prize contest and they've made over 500 sales right here. And this is me right here, ranked number 3 out of all these other affiliates that are trying to make money with this, promoting this. And I'm on the leaderboard right over here. Not sure I'm going to be able to catch number 2. I definitely am not going to be able to catch number 1 on this one. But this is a great software. If I go over here and we click on the sales page, you can actually look at what the sales page looks like. Now, if I went and I was going to be an affiliate marketer and I was just like, okay, how do I put together this video? I'm going to put this video together. I'm going to tell them, hey, there's a software. It's a new AI cloud tool, quietly turns simple ideas into passive royalties. And I go over the sales page right here. This is what a lot of people are doing. They're wondering why they're not making sales. They're going over here. This is really great right here, but guess what? People that are going to buy this software are smart in 2025. They're not going to come over here, read this whole page and everything. Some people might buy if you got them to click this button and check this out. That's cool. You might make some sales, but you're probably not going to get on the leaderboard if you're not doing something a little bit different and going above and beyond. And that is getting full access to the software. Once you get full access to the software, you can build relationships with marketers. The creator of this is Ike Paz. He's the marketer genius behind this software. And then you have the software engineer right here, and they make a great team because they both come together. Somebody that knows the Amazon KDP space and makes a full-time living doing that. And then you have another person that knows the space really well, but he's also a software engineer, and they kind of put their heads together and they create amazing software. I've already promoted Ike's products in the past, and I'm one of his top affiliates. So he actually reached out to me and said, hey, I've got this software called Ohonashi. In Japanese, it means story or storytelling. It's coming out, and he gives me the dates, and he said, hey, you want access to this? So he gives me full access to this. I can now do a full review on this, and that's where you come and put together a real proper marketing funnel and strategy. And look, I'm not on camera right over here, and I got 700 sales. I'll go and reveal how much money. I just made another video right here because it's the last day that people can get this piece of software. Now, if you're watching this video, you can check these videos out probably at the time of watching. The launch is over if it's after October 20th, so the pricing will be increased, but the software is amazing. You should still jump in if you're interested in making money with Amazon KDP and writing short stories. How much money did we make? I already showed you number 3 on the leaderboard. I'm just going to go into a new window over here. It's going to update. It says 16 hours ago. We're already at another 4,000 this month. And let's go see. We had a $1,000 day yesterday. You can see it's updating right now, but we had a $1,000 day yesterday. The day before that was almost $500. In the last 7 days from promoting this product, I've made $2,000. Today we're at $74, but I'm expecting this to get back up to $500 or have a really strong close. Hopefully we'll be able to hit that $1,000 mark by the end of the day because I just sent out 1 email to my list and I did another video. That's my marketing effort. And so we can come over here and I can actually go to affiliate, and no one else is showing you. Is anybody else showing you how to do this stuff and actually showing you in real time what they're doing, why they market the way that they do, and then actually lead with like examples and proof, right? How can I expect you to come in and learn from me if I'm not actually out there doing it myself, right? So I'm making thousands of dollars a month as an affiliate marketer, and I'm not making that just by teaching you, right? So a lot of people come on YouTube and they want to teach what they know, or they want to teach you how to make money online, right? But then they can't back it up that they actually make money online with another strategy other than their YouTube channel and selling you a course. The real money that I'm making is all the affiliate commissions and the channels that I run on YouTube. Now I do teach that in my Skool community. There is a link below. You can check it out. Now, what we can do is we can come over here to affiliate, go into stats, and then go boom today in the last 7 days, and you're going to see the top product is this Ohonashi AI Gen. We sent 163 people, 43 people have purchased it. It's a 26% conversion rate, which is just killer, right? We're doing something right because industry standards are 1, 2, or 3% conversion rates, and we're getting a 26% conversion rate right here. We've made almost $2,000. We're at $1,800, and this is not revenue. This is commissions in my pocket. So $1,800. This will easily be over $2,000 by the end of the day. I'm hoping to have a $1,000 day today if my video takes off just a little bit. And if I can get about 500 views on my video today, my email sinks in and people go, if they're on the fence, hopefully my new video that I came out with today will answer those questions. I added another bonus as well. So if they purchase one of the upsells, only one upsell in the funnel, then they get another special bonus that I created. So I teach all about how to do that inside of my Skool community. This is the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator community. I've been running this for 2 years. I'd love for you to be our next student. Now, the pricing did just increase. I am a man of my word. You go check out my last video. The pricing was at $17 for about 2 weeks. We brought in over 20 new students into the community, but the pricing has gone up by $10, $27. Still an amazing steal of a deal because this should be going for $97 per month. You can join at $27 a month. And when you click on join, you'll be offered to come in and join the annual. I think it's $240 a year. It brings the price down to like $20 a month or something like that, right? So if you want to save even more money, you can still save by joining at the annual price. And we do have people that do that. Hopefully here soon and possibly tomorrow, the price is going to change to $49 per month. And I have had it at $49 a month, and I've made sales at $49. I've actually made sales at even higher than that. The price should be $97. I'd love for you to be our next student. We have so many case studies, so many testimonials. We've got Gary making $703 in September. I'd love to get his update for October. Now look, ClickBank sales, he made $58 on ClickBank. So now he's making money on ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. We have affiliates making money, taking action, building real YouTube channels that are laser targeted, and they make money. So I'd love you to be our next student. Link will be below. Go check it out for the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator programs. If you want to learn how I'm doing all this stuff, how you can make money in the YouTube Partner Program, this is already over $35,000 right now. The screenshots that you're seeing right now are nothing compared to, look at this. But that one right there, that last 30 days, $8,000, that's actually pretty powerful right there. Sometimes I have really big months, $8,000, $10,000 months in Warrior Plus as well. Hopefully this answers your question. And the reason why I was able to do so well with this offer that I just promoted on Friday, I got my hands on the actual product. I demonstrated the product, did a proper review, a proper tutorial on it. I put a little bit of effort into it, and then it paid off. I made almost $2,000 from just that one video alone, right? If you were going to ask me, do you have to buy the products for affiliate marketing? I would say yes. If you were going to ask me what's the right way to do it, I think you don't have to buy them, right? You can get free access. You can ask the product creator if they can ship you the product, if it's physical, doing real reviews. You'd love to review their product. Can I get a free sample of it? But at the end of the day, if it was between me doing a review on a product that I don't have access to at all, I'm going to skip that and find a product that I can actually demonstrate in my videos that I have my hands on. Remember back to the screwdriver. or back to the creatine in the drink. If it's software, I have access to the software where I can actually demonstrate what the software does. If I can't do those things, I'm not creating content, because you're not going to build that know, like, and trust factor. You're not going to build that loyalty and that relationship of someone that wants to come back and watch your next review video. I have people that wait for my reviews to come out on product because they want my opinion. So if you're going to build a proper business, you want to have the product in hand. Do you have to buy it? Sometimes I will buy a product. And today I actually wanted to demonstrate, I'll end with this story here. In this video that I just came out with 26 minutes ago, there was a product inside of Ohonashi, one of the 3 upsell products, and it's a keyword research tool for Amazon. Ike Paz, the creator, probably would have gifted me free access because I'm one of his top affiliates, but because he was asleep and he lives in Japan, I wasn't able to get in touch with him, and I really needed to get my video done. So I went ahead and invested in myself, invested in my business, and I've already made $1,800 from his software. So it's not a big deal that I went ahead and just purchased it for 47 bucks. I purchased his software that I could have got for free for $47 today because I needed the software to do my review. And you can see these screenshots on my video right here. Those 2 screenshots are from the software that I demonstrated in my video review. That just proves to you the power of affiliate marketing. If you're not willing to go out and buy the product yourself, which I did today, then you're probably not going to get a lot of sales. And that's just my opinion after making over $600,000 with affiliate marketing. And even just on LearnWire, I'm at 819 videos. If you want to come and take major action, learn the right ways to do this, build a YouTube channel, you don't have to be on camera to do it, to become a professional affiliate marketer, join my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program. First link below. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.